Hello, I know this looks weird, but I've already done the eyebrows off camera and the base for the eyelid, just because I don't want to take too much time and sound like a broken record. So I put this sticker here. This is actually for nails, but I never use it, so I'm taking like a dark blue and I'm just dragging it out. Allah. I kind of fucked up here, but that's okay. It's not that big a deal. Like, it's not gonna be that clear. And then I go with a lighter blue and I continue packing this light blue color until it's fully saturated. This is a colorless brush, blending it out. Some of the color got picked up. I'm just gonna go back in and pack it. Yep, there we go. So now it's more blended. Concealer is gonna fix everything. That's a lot, way more than I usually put, but whatever. I just got a suggestion from one of my biggest fans to smile more, so this is starting to come together nicely. Life's too short to waste doing just soft looks. Can you stop?
Stop being myself, just?
Yeah. It might be just a bit more precise, so. Maybe. So I'm taking like a shimmery sky blue color and I'm putting it here. So because this look is too soft, I'm gonna actually use lashes. I'm being sarcastic. So I cut the lashes just because it's too much. I don't like full length. I put lashes on and I did my blush, and my lip combo was just basically lip liner and lip gloss. It's lip gloss by Fenty Beauty. It's literally my favorite. As you can tell, it's literally almost finished. So I feel like with such a bold eye look, you can't do lipstick unless it's like nude or this lip combo. It's literally like my new favorite, I think. With the lashes, like I just put like right at the end. I feel like it's way better and like way easier on the eyes than full length lashes. And it goes really well with this look. I feel like it's just perfect, honestly, because it pulls the eye, it gives it this like pulled look. Since the eyeshadow shape is like more triangular and just pointing upwards, I needed something to bring my eyes down a little bit, so this is what it did. And for highlighter, actually I only used this pink shade right here, just on top of the top part of the blush, because I don't want any new colors. I mean, I've never done such a bold blue look. Life's too short not to experiment with color, so I really hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if there's anything in specific you guys want to see, and I'll do my best to do that video. I mean, even though it's too much, it doesn't look crazy, if that makes sense. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video.